been so long. Sometimes I wonder how I will stay strong. No sleep tonight. I'll keep on driving these dark highway lines. And as the moon fades, one more night gone, only 20 more days.
Something about that damn case just wasn't right. I'm gonna give Deputy Williams a call. Haven't talked to that guy since he quit the force 5 years back. Williams, I need to see you about something very important. Be right over! That's a ticket! Long time no see, Deputy Williams. Step in. I wanted to discuss the evidence of the Williams case with you.
Williams case?
Yeah, 5 years ago, remember?
I barely remember that due to the time warp.
That time warp was outstanding, but right now we've got serious business to attend to.
Oh, God.
My house isn't much, Deputy Williams, but I hope you'll find it to your liking. Take a seat, and we'll get down to business.
Better than the old septic tank I got.
Where's your wife? My wife?
I hope she's dead.
She is. Good. But the real reason I called you here is I need to get down to some serious business.
Good thing for that. I was wondering why you called me after all these years.
Yeah. Want a beer?
I'll take two.
Okay, warm. Beautiful. Alright. So as you remember, the time warp caused that whole case to get botched pretty much.
Yeah, we lost all the information on it.
Yeah, but I remember a strange thing. That I was accusing you.
Oh, I'd have to say you're wrong there.
Well, I know dinner's not much, but it's the best I could do.
Gentleman souffle!
Yes. Dig in. Alright. So what exactly happened to your finger there, Deputy Williams?
Crazed potato incident.
Long story short, how you liking that souffle?
Terrible.
Now, Deputy Williams, the real reason I brought you over here. Does this look familiar? You're under arrest.
Fuck you.
What? You're under arrest. You have no proof.
What's this? It's all in your mind.
What?
There was a fucking time warp! No one's gonna believe you.
You're coming with me.
I'm leaving.
You're coming with me.
I'm coming with myself.
And he's back in another.
Hear the footsteps, noises in the night. Something's burning, fire burning bright. Keeps getting closer, chills me to my soul. They've come to get me, hear the devil call. The dead are after me. I said the dead are after me. Well, I saw something that I shouldn't see, and now the zombies are coming after me. I can't escape them, the dead are everywhere. rising. Does anybody care? The day